Hey guys, live in Blackpool Honda here, and here we have one of our petrol Civics. This car is finished in rally red. The car also has 17-inch alloys all around, every single one in perfect condition. This is the sport model, as you can see, it has all the side skirt extensions, the rear bumper splitter, and the black spoiler. Moving into the boot of the vehicle, you can see we have plenty of room inside the boot. Just under the boot floor, you can see we have your tyre deflation kit, and obviously the parcel shelf. Moving into the rear of the vehicle, you can see we have the black cloth seats here, and also Isofix, and also, while I'm here, we have automatic rear windows which are electric. Now moving into the front of the vehicle, you can see just here we have all 4 controls to the windows, central locking button, electric adjustment for the wing mirrors, and power fold. Moving down here, you can see we have lumbar support inside the rear of the vehicle, the rear of the seat, sorry. Just here we have your headlight washers, your park assist, traction control, collision assist, and your lane assist. Moving inside, you can see we have a multi-function steering wheel. This side controls your cruise control and speed limiter. This side controls your stereo, your Bluetooth hands-free, and your onboard computer. Up here, as you can see, we have automatic headlights on the indicator stalk, and on the other side, automatic windscreen wipers. This car has also done 1,400 miles. Just down here, you can see we have the electronic handbrake and brake hold. On the other side, we have Econ and stop start. This car is a 6-speed manual. Here we have the climate control. As you can see, it can also be controlled on the stereo. This car is also dual climate, might I add. This car also has satellite navigation, all your different sources for your media, Bluetooth hands-free, it's also got body coloured wing mirrors as well while I'm walking around it again. If you have any questions or queries about this vehicle, don't hesitate to give us a call here at Blackpool Honda. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon.